Hey everyone, I'm Pam from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to do a Beebeecrafts unboxing. And before I get started, I had already previously filmed this video and it was all wrapped securely in bubble wrap and a package, and my video did not record all the way, so we're going to do this again. So, if you're not familiar with Beebeecraft, they are offering free shipping right now if you spend $25 or more. And there's going to be a discount code in the description box down below, PAM5. It's like $5 off, I believe. And I think they're doing a Valentine's Day special as well. So go check them out. They also have a YouTube program. So if you have a YouTube channel with 100 subscribers or more, you could participate in their program. All you have to do is go to their site and put your information in, and they'll send you a message back, and they usually will have you pick out, they will have you pick out $40 worth of items, and it gets shipped right to your home, and all you have to do is do an unboxing and 2 videos to follow showing the projects that you had made. So let's do this again because my video got messed up. So I'm going to show you the products. So the first one I got were these tassels, and there's a bunch of them. Look at the case. I love these tassels, and I took one out. They're all individually wrapped like this. And so I took one off. And it's very soft. And they have a ring on it. So you can make earrings or whatever you want with them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. But there's that. Next product I got were these, I think they call them French loops or something. But these are my favorite type of earring hooks. You can't really find them in this area, but I think they look, I don't know, I like them better. I think they're pretty. So I got gold and silver. So you can make earrings with these, or I don't know, make earrings with anything you have, right? So that's the next item I got. And then I got these cute bows. Oops. Let me open my bag. Aren't these cute? And they got the hole on the bottom. Very good plastic there. They're really hard, very durable. And they come in this big bag. Hold it up closer. That was my other item. I like this yellow. It's really pretty. It reminds me of Easter. These colors here. They're so cute. And it's a Ziploc bag. Quite a bit in there, actually. Let's see if I can put that there so you guys can see it. The products. A little bit. I'm going to move that out a little bit. Okay. And the next item is, I had taken this out already because I showed it on my video. Kind of, so I don't know what's going on with my video, but I got these keychains, diamond painting keychains, and I thought they were so cute. I love doing diamond paintings anyway, so there's this one. This one. That one. I like that. That's really pretty. And so you get those, and you get these findings for them, like a keychain, or you don't even have to use it. You put it on your backpack, whatever. That was individually packaged. Okay. Oops. I got excited and cut the bag, so one of them, I cut in it too far. So I'll show you the drills, the sparkly drills. And you get all kinds of pretty colors. Okay. Let's see. Kind of move you up a little bit. And here's the rest of them. I can lay these out. And then I couldn't believe this, but they gave you a big old set of drill pins, which a lot of companies don't do that. Look at all these. And you can reuse these and do different things with them. They even give you 2 sets of tweezers and some wax, and that is really good. I'm really shocked because like they only usually give you 1 pin, a little bit of wax, and a tray. That's it. Look at the set they give you for this. Wow. And then here's the little kit. You can put your extra drills in there, and then they give you the pin, the tray, and the wax. All right, so I'm going to link everything that I purchased down below in the description box so you can check that out. I will also link their YouTube channel, thing they have going on where you can apply and unbox and do videos for them, and they'll send you the merchandise to do. You can't beat that. Their YouTube program. I hope you like my unboxing. And you all stay safe, take care, and God bless. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's important. Give me a thumbs up. Please leave comments. I absolutely love comments. I try to get back to everybody, but I love comments. And share me out if you can. Let people know, you know, who I am and everything. I would greatly appreciate you all. And thank you all to my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. All right, everyone. Bye.